Welcome. Let's have a look at the just ended WASSCE September 2024 core mathematics question paper. Question number 1. Monica rode a bicycle for 45 minutes and walked an hour to cover a distance of 10.4 kilometers. If the riding speed is 3 times the walking speed, we are to find correct to two significant figures, the walking speed and the distance traveled by riding. So this is a distance, speed, distance, time word question. So the first thing we need to know is how to find speed. In finding speed, it is the distance covered over the time taken. And this journey was taken in two instances. The first instance was riding. Then the second instance was what? Walking. And in the two, riding and the walking, they both cover a total distance of what? 10.5 kilometers. So we cannot apportion any kilometers to walking from the 10 and to riding. So we need to find out what will be the individual walkings before we can use that distance to find the speed. So let's see, we take the informations from the question. First thing, we know that speed is equals to distance divided by the time taken. In the same vein, if I am going to find the speed, I need the distance divided by the time. So let's see. We are looking for walking speed. The time for walking is known, but the distance is not known. So we need to find the distance first. So how do we find distance? When you cross multiply, distance will now be equals to the speed times what? The time. Where in this case, we can use any letters to represent. All right. So let's see. We need to know the distance that is used in riding. So if we check, if I can make a sketch of the distance from here to here, is going to give us the 10.4 kilometers. Part of it will be used for riding, and part of that journey will also be used for what? Walking. Since we are using an hour, let's just say from here to here is going to be for riding. Anyway, let's be realistic. The riding might be a little bit longer. Then let's pick the other one. So the distance here can be labeled x, and here can be labeled what? Y. So x plus y give rise to the 10.4 kilometers. So if I add the two distance, so here I am looking for, from here to here is riding. Then from here to here is walking. So that's what I am going to find. So what do? I need to find this very word, distance. And how will I find that? I can find that by using the speed times what? The time. Do we get that? I need to find the distance, x. I can find that by the speed times the time. And here is the case, we don't know the speed in the question. So we can continue to see which part of the statement will help us. Is that if the riding speed is 3 times the walking speed, if the riding speed, the speed in riding, if it is 3 times the speed in what? Walking. So we can use an abbreviation, or let's say a letter, to represent the speed so that we can use it to multiply the time. So let's see. If we check between the riding speed and the walking speed in this sentence, which one do you think is going to be the bigger one? If the riding speed is 3 times that of the walking speed, it means that if I know the walking speed, times 3 will give me the riding speed. So the speed for walking, we can label that to be, let's say, A. The speed for walking, let it be A. Then speed for riding become what? 3A. Do you get that also? If you are saying that the speed in riding is 3 times the speed in what? Walking. So if I know what the speed is in walking, times 3 will give me that of the riding. Alright, so with these informations given out, let's see if we can also apportion the times. So time for riding, okay? Time for riding is going to be 45 minutes, and 45 minutes can be converted to an hour. That is going to be 45 divided by what? 60. That make it an hour. And in that case, we are going to have 45 over 60. That will be 3 on 4. So that we can convert that. Let's go to decimal. 0.75 what? Hours. Then time for walking, right, is going to be 1 hour. So I have 1 hour. So now let's go with this information we have here as a formula. So the first one is going to be distance for riding. Okay, distance. Let me just say, okay, distance for riding. Let's say dr equals to the speed of riding. What is the speed? The speed of riding is 3a times the time. The time for riding, right? The time for riding is also 0.75. Let's do that multiplication. As in 3 times 0.75, that gives you 2.25. 2.25 what? A. The A is still there as the speed for walking. The next thing to find is distance for walking, right? I can label that as dw. Speed. What is the speed for walking? The speed for walking is A. The time for walking is 1 hour. So that gives us 1. 1 times A will be A. What did we say in the beginning? The X plus the Y give us what? The 10.5. What is okay, let's just say riding should be X, since we have that already there. Then that of the walking should be Y. So in this case, X plus Y will be equal to 10.5. So by illustration, that means that X plus Y is equal to 10.4. So it means that when we substitute our X, which is representing 2.25A, plus our Y, which is representing only A, we are expected to have 10.4. Don't forget, all these calculations are in kilometers because we are dealing with the distance. Don't forget, this is AA, algebraic expression. If I have 1A added on to 2.25A, it means I am adding the coefficient 1 plus 2.25. And 1 plus 2.25 will be giving you 3.25A equals to 10.4. And I believe you know where we are going. We are looking for the A, which is representing this speed for walking. So we divide by the coefficient to find what the speed will be. So per that division, that means I'll be having 3.25A divided by 3.25. That will give you 10.4 divided by 3.25. already this will be giving a cancellation, leaving only A. So that means A will be equals to, on our calculator, we have 10.4 divided by 3.25. That should be giving you 3.2. So we can say that our A, which is the working speed, will be equals to 3.2 kilometers per hour. So the speed that will be used in walking from here to here, this distance covered here, the speed there is going to be 3.2 kilometers per hour. Therefore, our distance by riding is going to be, distance by riding is there as x 2.25 what? A. 2.25 A. But we know what the A is. So we multiply by that 3.2 and see what it will be on our calculator. And that will be 7.2. So 7.2 kilometers distance, right? I guess if we go through the process step by step, we can appreciate how we arrive at each of these two answers. Feel free to ask questions on each state that you find challenging, and I'll be in the comment section to address that. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.